I'll show you how to give a glow effect to objects like lightsabers or valuables in Blender. Let's put an object on the scene. It can be any object. We will give the glow effect on this object in the scene. Since it is a cube by default, we can continue over the cube. First of all, let's click on World Properties among the options on the right and change the color to black. You'll see that the environment color darkens when we change this. The glow effect will come to the fore much more because we get this glow effect best with dark backgrounds. Now we will add material to this object that we want to give a glow effect on the scene. For the material, let's go to the material properties here and add a new material. We click on emission from the surface options and increase the strength value. Let's do 3 for now. When I do 3, we increase the shine on the image even more. And let's change the color option here with another color that we want to give a glow effect. We will not see the glow effect at this time. We need to choose one more option. This time we click on Render Properties and select the bloom option here. When we mark this, we will see the glow effect on the scene. Whatever color the object has, it will use it to shine a light on the environment. Of course, you can increase the amount of this light. Let's look at the bloom options here. And you will see that the intensity part 0.050 now. When we increase it to the right, the glow effect also increases. You can change the values here according to your project. This is how we give the glow effect on Blender. As you can see, wherever we turn it, we will still have already seen the glow effect. As I said at the beginning, you can use this feature with the object you need glow effect, such as a lightsaber. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.